తెలుగులో ప్రతినాయకుడిగా మంచి పేరు సంపాదించుకున్న సోనూ సూద్ బాలీవుడ్ లో కథానాయకుడిగా ఎదుగుతున్నాడు. ఈ హీరో తాజాగా నటిస్తున్న షూట్అవుట్ ఎట్ వడాలా సినిమా శరవేగంగా షూటింగ్ జరుపుకుంటోంది. ఈ సందర్భంగా సోనూ సూద్ ఈటీవీ టాకీస్ తో ప్రత్యేకంగా ముచ్చటించాడు. ఆ విశేషాలు ఇప్పుడు చూద్దాం.
దావుద్ ఇబ్రాహిం కాస్కర్.
వదల బొమ్మాలి వదల అంటూ తెలుగు ప్రేక్షకులకు మరింత చేరువైన సోనూ సూద్ ఇప్పుడు మనతో పాటు ఉన్నారు. షూట్అవుట్ ఎట్ వడాలా గురించి ఆయన ఏం చెప్తారో విందాం. హాయ్ సోనూ సూద్.
Hi, how are you doing? I'm really good. In Shootout at Vadala, I play the role of Dawood Ibrahim. Dawood Ibrahim, everyone knows about him and how he actually became Dawood Ibrahim. There's a book called Dongri to Dubai written by Hussain Zaidi. So his journey in 70s and 80s before he actually became Dawood. Manya Surve has been played by John Ibrahim, and how these two gangs were formed in which Dawood's brother Sabir was killed, and how he took the revenge of his brother and he killed everyone. So his journey in those 10 years is what Shootout at Vadala is. And like I said, every actor has a dream role, and I would say playing Dawood Ibrahim Kaskar was my dream role. Yeah.
ये दाऊद, देख मनिया सुरवे तेरी गली में खड़ा है, दम है तो आ नीचे।
आलो रे आलो, मानिया आलो, दिल के शहर में अपन का बोल बाला।
वो मनोहर सीधा था, इसीलिए मर गया। ये टेढ़ा है, इसीलिए जिंदा है।
టాలీవుడ్ లోనే ఇటు బాలీవుడ్ లోనే ఏ కాలంలో విలన్ గాను యాక్ట్ చేస్తున్నారు. ఎలా ఉంది, ఎలా 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 ఎంజాయ్ చేస్తున్నారు?
I would say I've between Bollywood and Tollywood. Tollywood has been my learning ground. I've played positive roles. I've played negative roles in Tollywood. I've played positive and negative roles in Bollywood also. So it's tough to choose, but I always maintain that whatever I've learned in this cinema, I've learned from Tollywood. Working with brilliant directors here, with brilliant such a brilliant industry. So I enjoy both. I sometimes leave my Hindi films for my Tollywood movies. So I always make sure in all these years at least I have 3 to 4 Telugu releases and maybe 2 or 3 Hindi releases.
जिस दिन करेगा मनिया सुरवे छाती पर वार करेगा
तो दुआ करूंगा, ना उस दिन रमजान हो ना ही गुड़ी पाड़वा।
पुलिस की गोली में इतना लोहा है, एक बार ठोक दी ना तो जिंदगी भर तेरे खून में आयरन की कमी नहीं होगी, समझा?
టాలీవుడ్ లో కంఫర్ట్ ఉందా, ఇటు బాలీవుడ్ లో కంఫర్ట్ ఉందా?
I think both. Again, Tollywood, yes, a great acceptance from the audience. I love Telugu industry, and they've really accepted me. I'm from North, and still they accepted me as a part of their family. So I really enjoy Tollywood also. Shootout at Vadala, I think Anil Kapoor, John Abraham, Manoj Bajpayee, Tushar Kapoor, Kangana, all people have been really, really good. They are all looking like the true characters. So, like I said, I've the most important part for Shootout is that the characters are so nicely sketched. Our director Sanjay Gupta, I think he saw this dream of Shootout at Vadala, and the way he captured the film, it's out of the world.
ये मेरा भाई है दाऊद, इसके सामने नजर या जबान ऊंची मत करना, समझा?
अब अपनी गैंग खुद बनाऊंगा, बंबई की पहली हिंदू गैंग। इसकी गोली में इतना लोहा है, एक बार ठोक दी ना तो जिंदगी भर तेरे खून में आयरन की कमी नहीं होगी, समझा? जिस दिन मारूंगा छाती पर मारूंगा।
ఇక్కడ ట్రైలర్ లాంచ్ చేయడంలో స్పెషల్ ఏంటి?
This is the first time such a trailer has been launched with live shootout happening with the public. So I don't think so anything of this sort has happened so far, and I'm really thankful to God that we got such brilliant producers like Ekta Kapoor and Sanjay Gupta, who gave us such a huge platform. And imagine when a promo launches of this scale, when the film will release, what kind of scale we'll have. So a great film on its way.
11 जनवरी 1982 उस दिन तक बॉम्बे पुलिस और अंडरवर्ल्ड के बीच ऐसा कुछ नहीं हुआ था जिसे लोग याद रखते। मुझ में ही खुजली थी इतिहास बदलने की। मेरा नाम मणिया सुर्वे।
मैं एसीपी इसाक बाबा। इतिहास मैंने बदला था। उस दिन तक बॉम्बे पुलिस के हाथ कायदे और दायरे ने बांध रखे थे। मैंने वो हाथ खोल दिए। ये कहानी उस पहले पुलिस इनकाउंटर की है।
What about your upcoming movies?
In Telugu, I have Bhai coming up with Nagarjuna. Then there's a Tamil film also coming. In Hindi, I have Shootout at Vadala. Then there's a film with Prabhudeva called Ramayya Vastavia coming in June. There's another film with Prabhudeva called Rambo Rajkumar, which is coming in November. So I'll have 4 to 5 releases this year.
ये दाऊद, देख मणिया सुर्वे तेरी गली में खड़ा है। दम है तो आ नीचे।
आलो रे आलो, मानिया आलो, दिल के शहर में अपन का बोलबाला।
वो मनोहर सीधा था, इसीलिए मर गया। ये टेढ़ा है, इसीलिए जिंदा है।
आज से तेरी इस गोदी का आधा हिस्सा मणिया सुर्वे का।
మహేష్ బాబుతోను జూనియర్ ఎన్టీఆర్ తోను ఇప్పుడు నాగార్జునతో చేయబోతున్నారు. ఎలా ఉంది?
I think all are great friends. You know, Mahesh is a great guy. Nag, we have worked in Super, then now in Bhai, NTR also. So I think their love and warmth brings me back to this industry again and again. I have found great friends in them. You know, Allu Arjun, we did July, Trivikram Srinivas, Puri Jagannath. So they are like my family living in Hyderabad, and whenever I'm here, I meet them and I really enjoy working with them.
ఇది సోను చెప్పిన షూట్అవుట్ ఎట్ వడాల విశేషాలు. కెమెరామెన్ భాస్కర్తో సతీష్, ఈటీవీ న్యూస్, హైదరాబాద్.